I've got this little Chinese made quad here, and it was missing the ignition, so I bypassed that just to be able to get it started. But I need to clean the carburetor. It'll run, but it's not running as good as it should, at least in my opinion. So I'm gonna pull that carburetor out and clean it up. The first step is to take out the bolts that hold the carb on. I got the 2 bolts out and the gasket. Now, that red petcock handle there, I'm going to turn the fuel off. I've pulled the carburetor out on the left-hand side here, and then I'll disconnect the fuel, and then I'll disconnect the throttle, which is right here, and then there's a screw holding on the choke cable. The hardest part is disconnecting the choke cable, but if you loosen off that screw and then pull the cable out from inside this little clamp here, then you can get it to disconnect here. So you just roll this plastic lever, and you'll roll it back like this, and you can see you can pull the cable and then pull that little barrel right out. Now, looking inside, you can see it's not clean, so I imagine the bowl is going to be the same way. Well, isn't that a soup, eh? You can see the color of it, and you can see the sediment sitting in the bottom. So I'm going to clean that out, and then I'm going to take these 2 jets out and make sure that they're clear going right through the center, and if they have any holes that come out the side, that those are clear. And I'll do that with a piece of wire off my barbecue brush, and if I need to, I'll soak them in carb cleaner. I have it all cleaned up, so I just hooked in the choke cable. I just have to tighten down the clamp. Then I'm going to put the slide back in and put the gas line back on, bolt it all up, and it should be good to go. So I have everything hooked up on it now. I just have to put it back up into place. And in case you weren't paying attention, the O-ring goes up against the intake, and there's an O-ring on the carb that goes up against the back of this.